muzzleloader season. I gotta work the next 3 days, so it's pretty much my last chance to get her done here in Wisconsin. Got the smoke pole out here. Got the camera I'm self-filming tonight here in southwest Wisconsin. Stay tuned. Hopefully we can put something on the ground for y'all. Last minute, last chance. I'm right here in Wisconsin.
Well, it's been a couple hours. We just got back up here after reviewing the footage through the smoke of that whole smoke pole. Looks like a good meal kick, so it looks like we got a good hit on him. We're just gonna go over here and check for blood and hopefully get on a good trail. It should be somewhere right through here. Heck of a buck. Be my biggest just by reviewing the footage. Pretty sure he's down just by hearing the crash in the footage. So we're gonna go over here and bring you along with the recovery on this buck that we call Skylark.
I assume that he ran right in here somewhere.
Right there.
There he is.
Buck down. He didn't go far at all. That crash was definitely the crash that I heard. He's not even 10 yards inside this woods. I gotta go get my hands on him.
We'll do her, man.
What a way to finish out 2015. Down there to my last hunt, last day. Look at that. Look at these brows, gosh dang.
What a buck.
G2, both of them split.